In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your coolant reservoir on your Toyota Camry. It's located on the passenger side of the engine. To begin, if you have coolant in your reservoir, you're going to want to remove it. You can just siphon it out by taking off this cap and using a siphon to drain it. To take this off, you're going to pull the bottom out and then slide it up. To install, you're going to line up this area with this bracket and slide it into place. It should snap into place. You're going to turn this, find the old cap, remove this hose by twisting, pulling it off. And to install, just push it on. There's no clamp. Remove your cap and top off your coolant. Make sure you use what the manufacturer recommends for coolant. You're going to fill it up to full right here. Now you can replace your cap. Just snaps in, and you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.